Dear students, I have taken the second question for you from your textbook, NCRT textbook, and it is given in the exercise 4.3, and the question says that two water taps together can fill a tank in 9 hole 3/8 hours. The tap of the larger diameter takes 10 hours less than the smaller one to fill the tank separately. Find the time in which each tap can separately fill the tank. So here the question has been asked that get the time in which each tap can fill the tank separately. So let us begin the solution part. Let the smaller tap takes x hours to fill the tank. Then time taken by the second tap, means the larger tap, to fill the tank should be 10 hours less than it. It means it should be equal to x minus 10 hours. Now here we in the next two steps we are going to use the very simple unitary method, and it is that the first tap is filling the one tank in x hours. So in 1 hour the smaller tank will fill 1 upon x part of the tank. Similarly, the second tap is taking x minus 10 hours to fill the whole tank, means one tank. So in 1 hour the larger tank will fill 1 upon x minus 10 part of the tank. Now let us combine them, that the time is 1 hour. So if we open both the taps simultaneously, what part of the tank will be filled in 1 hour only? So in 1 hour, if I open the both the taps, the part of the tank filled will be 1 upon x plus 1 upon x minus 10. And if I add these two fractions, I get 2x minus 10 upon x square minus 10x. This is the part of the tank filled by both the taps when both are opened. Now it is also given in the question that both the taps when they are opened, they take 9 whole 3/8 hours, that means 75 upon 8 hours. So here again we have to calculate what time they are taking to fill the tank in 1 hour from this line only. So the part of the tank filled by both the taps in 1 hour will be equal to 1 upon 75 upon 8, just like previously we have done. So it comes out to be 8 upon 75. So in one line we are getting that in 1 hour both the tanks are filling 2x minus 10 upon x square minus 10x part of the tank. And from the question sides lines we are getting that the part of the tank filled by both in 1 hour is 8 upon 75. So it means we should equate them. So we have equated there. So 2x minus 10 upon x square minus 10x, it should be equal to 8 upon 75. And when we do the required cross multiplication, we get the quadratic equation 8x square minus 230x plus 750 is equal to 0. And if we factorize this as 8x square minus 200x minus 30x plus 750 is equal to 0 by splitting the middle term, we get x minus 25 in one bracket and 8x minus 30 in second bracket is equal to 0. And this implies that either x is equal to 25 or x is equal to 30 upon 8, which comes out 15 upon 4 after cancellation of the common terms. So if x is equal to 15 upon 4, let us calculate x minus 10 also. So x minus 10 comes out to be negative, minus, that is minus 25 upon 4, which is not possible because the larger tab is taking the time in negative numbers. So hence it is not possible. It means x is equal to 15 upon 4 should be discarded. So x is equal to, it means x is equal to 25. So what is the x? What is the x is time taken by the smaller tab. So a smaller tab takes 25 hours. Naturally, when we put this value x is equal to 25, we will in the second for the second tab, so time taken by the larger tab will come out x minus 10 is equal to 25 minus 10, that is equal to 15 hours. So this is the solution of the question which is given in the exercise 4.3. Thank you.